If you're a roofing company and you're wondering exactly how much it costs to run Google Ads, then this video is for you. If you're a roofing company and you want more inquiries, Google Ads is one of the fastest ways to get in front of homeowners that are actively searching for your services right now. But the chances are you've either never run them before, so you have no idea how much they cost or how they work, or you've run them yourself or hired an agency. And if you have run them before, more often than not, you've probably had a bad experience with them. It's likely that you've wasted money on ad spend and agency fees, only to result in getting unresponsive leads, attracting price shoppers, not generating enough inquiries, or dealing with agencies that simply do not do what they say they will do. There are usually a number of reasons why Google Ads fail. Sometimes it's one thing, other times it's multiple things. But today, we're just going to be focusing on the budget and how much it costs to actually run them. First things first, how are you going to run them? Yourself or through an agency? If you run them yourself, you're not going to be paying any management fees to agencies. But good luck trying to manage Google Ads while you're out on a roof all day. If you use an agency, these are the most common ways that they charge. The first one is a flat monthly fee. For example, £1,000 a month plus your ad spend. The second is a percentage of ad spend. This could be anything from 20% to 50% on top of what you're spending on the ad spend. The third way is a commission only. This is where the agency takes a percentage of the sales that you close. Usually this is around 5%. It's also worth noting that of all of these strategies, most of them incur a one-time setup fee. And this is to build the landing pages, to shoot the content, set up conversion tracking, and configure the campaign. So now let's look at the actual ad spend. The good thing about Google Ads is that you can work out a good, realistic starting budget. The way to do this is to start doing keyword research for the main transactional keywords that are within your area for your services. So for example, this would be things like roofing company near me, roofing repairs near me, roofing company in London. Once you've got a list of all of these keywords, look at the estimated cost per click per keyword that Google gives you on the keyword planner. Google will give you the lowest cost per click and the highest cost per click. Work out the median cost per click through all of the keywords in your list. Then multiply that number by 300. Finally, divide that by 30.4, which is the average number of days in a month. That will give you a good starting point for your minimum daily ad spend. The great thing about Google Ads and working out your budget this way is you're basing your budget on real search demand. You're not just picking a random number and hoping for the best. It gives your campaign enough budget to capture searches and conversions consistently. And assuming that your campaigns are set up properly, the more qualified searches that you can afford to be appearing for, the more quality roof inquiries that you will generate.